For decades, Apple has followed a highly predictable script when it comes to their entry-level tablets, giving budget-conscious users just enough power to get by while carefully holding back the true game-changing features for their premium models. But as we move deeper into 2026, a massive structural shift inside Cupertino has completely shattered that old playbook, setting the stage for what is shaping up to be the most radical, disruptive upgrade in the history of the base iPad lineup. The tech landscape has evolved faster over the last 12 months than it did in the previous 5 years combined, driven by a global demand for local, on-device artificial intelligence and hyper-fast wireless architectures that traditional budget hardware simply cannot support. If you look closely at Apple's supply chain telemetry originating out of Shenzhen and Taiwan, the internal documentation tells a story of panic, strategic pivoting, and ultimately an aggressive decision to bring flagship-level silicon down to the entry-level tier. For months, rumors have circulated about a mysterious new hardware identifier designated under the internal Apple codenames J581 and J582, causing endless debate among industry insiders regarding whether this device would be a minor incremental spec bump or something far more revolutionary. Now, with a wave of unprecedented CAD schematic leaks, regulatory component filings, and major accessory manufacturer production listings coming to light, we finally have the complete, unfiltered picture of what Apple is building behind closed doors. This isn't just another minor annual refresh meant to keep students and casual browsers content. This is an intentional, sweeping effort to narrow the gap between the affordable baseline tablet and the high-end iPad Air to an absolute razor-thin margin. The deeper you dig into these engineering leaks, the clearer it becomes that Apple is preparing to catch the entire consumer tech market off guard with a device that completely redefines what a $349 machine is capable of achieving. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. To understand exactly why the upcoming iPad 12th generation is causing such a massive stir across the tech industry, we have to look directly at the absolute core of the machine, which is a complete architectural overhaul of its system on a chip. For the past year, the 11th generation baseline iPad has been powered by the 4nm Apple A18 Bionic chipset, a highly capable processor that originally made its debut in the iPhone 14 Pro series, but one that suffers from a critical, unfixable limitation in modern computing. The A16 Bionic structure was built during an era before on-device large language models and advanced generative neural processing became the primary focus of consumer software, meaning its internal neural engine is physically incapable of executing the complex mathematical matrices required for Apple's latest software ecosystems. According to highly credible supply chain intelligence reports, Apple originally intended to take a conservative approach with the 2026 model, merely updating the silicon to an A17 class chip to keep costs low and maximize their profit margins. However, an unexpected surge in competing AI-capable tablets from rival tech giants forced Apple's executive leadership to throw out their original roadmap and greenlight an incredibly aggressive hardware shift. The latest manufacturing leaks reveal that Apple is officially bypassing multiple generations of silicon to pack either an A18 or a highly advanced 3nm and 19 class processor directly into the chassis of their most affordable tablet. This represents an absolutely unprecedented leap in processing power for a baseline Apple product, marking the first time in company history that their entry-level budget device will share the exact same underlying architecture as their frontline, flagship smartphones. Moving to a 3nm production process means the physical distance between transistors on the silicon is microscopic, allowing Apple to cram billions of additional processing elements into a die space that consumes significantly less electrical power. For the everyday user, this translation of raw industrial data means the iPad 12th generation will deliver a multi-core central processing unit P. Performance increase that eclipses 40% compared to its predecessor, alongside a graphics processing unit leap that will fundamentally alter what is possible on a budget screen. But raw processing speed is only half of the equation when analyzing why this specific hardware leak has sent shockwaves through the consumer market. Because a processor is only as effective as the temporary memory pipeline feeding it data. The single biggest limitation holding back the current generation of affordable iPads isn't just the CPU velocity, but the strict bottleneck caused by its 6 gigabytes of system memory. In the modern tech ecosystem, 6 gigabytes of random access memory is the absolute red line, a boundary where a device can seamlessly handle multitasking, video streaming, and web browsing, but completely chokes when asked to run persistent background processes or localized AI models. The blockbuster leak that has been verified across multiple independent component suppliers confirms that Apple is officially moving the baseline iPad 12th generation up to a mandatory 8 gigabytes of unified memory. This single hardware adjustment is the golden key that unlocks the entire kingdom of Apple's next-generation software platform, ensuring that the most affordable tablet in their inventory will have the exact memory footprint required to run advanced on-device artificial intelligence features natively. By expanding the memory highway to 8 gigabytes, the device no longer has to constantly freeze background applications or force aggressive browser tab reloads when you switch between tasks. Instead, it creates a massive, fluid workspace where the operating system can allocate dedicated blocks of memory to a completely overhauled multitasking environment. This shift is crucial because it bridges a massive philosophical divide in Apple's product lineup, ensuring that users who cannot afford a $1,000 Pro model or a $600 Air model are no longer locked out of the future of contextual computing. The addition of 8 gigabytes of RAM changes the baseline iPad from a simple media consumption screen into a legitimate, long-term productivity powerhouse that can confidently stand the test of time over the next 4 to 5 years of continuous software updates. With this massive influx of processing power and unified memory, the primary beneficiary of the iPad 12th generation's new internal architecture is the official arrival of Apple Intelligence to the entry-level lineup. Up until this point, if you wanted to experience the deeply integrated contextual AI tools that Apple has been heavily marketing across the globe, you were forced to spend a premium on their upper-tier hardware, leaving budget buyers out in the cold. The new silicon configuration changes everything, allowing the iPad 12th model to execute complex, localized language processing entirely on-device without needing to constantly ping external cloud servers. Imagine a scenario where a student can sit in a crowded lecture hall, recording a complex, 2-hour presentation directly into their tablet, while the onboard neural engine works silently in the background to generate flawless, real-time audio transcriptions and beautifully categorized summaries completely offline. The localized power of the neural engine means your personal data never leaves the physical confines of your device, providing an incredibly secure environment for processing sensitive work documents, emails, and personal schedules. Furthermore, the upgraded hardware will support advanced system-wide writing tools that can instantly rewrite, proofread, and alter the tone of your text across any application. Whether you are drafting a professional email to a client or writing a casual message to a friend, the system can intelligently scan your entire digital footprint across notes, calendar events, and messages to provide hyper-personalized assistance, understanding the exact context of your life without compromising your privacy. This level of deep integration requires an immense amount of constant, real-time computational power, and by bringing these capabilities down to the $349 price point, Apple is effectively democratizing advanced artificial intelligence for millions of users worldwide, including students, educators, and everyday families who rely on affordable technology. Beyond the inner workings of the silicon and memory chips, major leaks from prominent glass manufacturing facilities and component molding plants have shed incredible light on exactly what to expect from the visual layout of the 2026 iPad. For months, tech communities have debated whether Apple would finally introduce a premium laminated display to the baseline model or stick with the older, modular display architecture to keep production costs down. The latest physical evidence from supply chain screen protectors and third-party case manufacturers which have already begun setting up their assembly lines for the 2026 cycle, reveals a highly calculated design decision. The iPad 12th generation will retain an 11-inch liquid retina display that perfectly matches the physical dimensions and outer footprint of the previous two generations, meaning screen protectors and many existing accessories will remain fully compatible. However, the internal panel structure is receiving a massive calibration upgrade to push its peak brightness levels significantly higher, allowing for much better visibility when using the tablet outdoors under direct sunlight or in brightly lit environments. While the panel will remain non-laminated to ensure that repair costs stay incredibly low and accessible for school districts and enterprise fleets, Apple is utilizing a brand new anti-reflective coating chemistry that dramatically reduces glare without increasing the thickness of the glass. The physical bezel layout surrounding the screen is also seeing a subtle but highly impactful refinement. Engineering schematics show that the uniform black borders are being trimmed down just enough to increase the active screen-to-body ratio, giving the tablet a distinctly modern, premium aesthetic that closely mirrors the look of the current iPad Air. This ensures that while the device remains rugged and affordable to fix if dropped, it no longer looks like a budget compromise when sitting side by side with Apple's most expensive luxury computers.